don't think it's necessary to travel in my car.
You're trying to take my car for what right now?
What are you gonna do about it? She choked me first.
Hope you and your coworkers get shot. I wouldn't threaten that.
Oh, great.
Now.
They thought the rules didn't apply to them, but they were wrong. From refusing to show a driver's license to holding up an entire airport over a lost ring, these suspects all shared one thing in common. They were convinced they were above the law. But the footage doesn't lie, and neither does the jail cell. We're looking at entitled suspects who got a hard dose of a reality check caught on Bodycam. Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Jesse Weber.
Hope you and your coworkers get shot. I wouldn't threaten that.
Our first episode of After Hours takes us to Marshfield, Wisconsin, where a call for help turned into an arrest scene that stretched for hours. Kayla Gutare called 911 on her boyfriend, but it was Gutare who ended up in handcuffs after officers say upon arrival, she began screaming and refused to allow them to investigate.
I tried to explain to them that I was on a new medication. They don't want to hear it. They don't care.
That's what it does.
I know. They don't care. They do not care. I'm the one that's getting locked up.
According to officers, the problem started before Gutare ever got into the patrol car. She had allegedly resisted during the arrest, including knee spiking an officer in the stairwell. Now, as she was being taken to jail, she calls her boyfriend and made it clear she was not taking full responsibility for what had happened.
What time is court tomorrow, do we know?
I don't know. I don't know what time court is.
We don't even know what time court is tomorrow, man. This isn't fair. I don't deserve this. I don't deserve to sleep in a freaking jail cell all night. This isn't fair. It's just messed up how you sit there and you can fake pretend like you're so calm. Oh, because you don't want to get arrested. You know I can't do that. You know I'm an emotional person.
You guys need to talk about the baby at all with Florida or anything like that? There's no more yelling. We need to talk about the baby. We can do
You
that.
don't hate that I'm over here. You don't hate that I'm in here.
Hey.
Why would you leave the baby with Dawn?
Do we need to talk about the baby or no?
All right, well, I have to hang up. They're making me hang up.
No, we're telling you to talk about the baby.
About the baby.
I don't know what the baby's gonna do, babe. I don't know what the baby's gonna do. I don't know
Let
this
him ask
is
you those
fair.
questions.
I don't deserve to get... I can't sit here and just like... I need you to take the night to understand that I will not be taking 100% accountability of this. I will not, okay? And if you don't figure out what the you're doing wrong tomorrow, we're done. I love you, goodbye.
After hanging up, Gutare turned her attention back to the officers.
Is this like what kind of jail is this?
Just a county jail. Turn around.
Nope, turn around.
Face me. I'll put the handcuffs on spot, okay?
So what am I gonna be in a room full of fucking nasty, dirty?
You can probably request just to be in a holding cell.
Yeah, I hope so because if any of these touching me, I'm gonna knock their teeth out.
Just let them know that you'd like to be in a holding cell.
Nasty.
And the longer the drive went, the more hostile police say Gutare became. According to the report, she was spitting in the back of the patrol car. Officers responded by putting a spit mask over her head, which only gave her something else to argue about.
I hope you and your coworkers get shot. I wouldn't threaten that, so I hope you do. Hope every single one of you do. Look at the I'm already going to jail. I'll do whatever the I want.
Where's my bra?
I have it in here.
Oh, thank God you did something right.
That's super mean.
Yeah, I know. Well,
What's
you
your
gotta
coat?
fire up, you fat nasty bitch.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be as mean as I can. I'm already going to jail. I'm gonna be as mean as I can, bitch!
Someone want to grab a spit mask?
You can put a mask on me all you want. Put a mask on me all you want. I'll just scream the whole way there. What are we even waiting for?
A helmet.
A helmet? You're gonna put a helmet on me? Is that even legal?
Sure is.
You're gonna put a helmet on me. Wait, why? Because do you think I'm gonna headbang myself? I'm actually curious why I need a helmet.
Just because there's not one in this squad.
put a helmet on me? Alright, well, you're still fat and ugly, so it doesn't matter.
Gatare knew she was going to be booked, and now she was making sure everyone knew exactly how she felt about it.
How the fuck I eat like you for breakfast? All of you. Every single last one of you. I'm going to jail for the night. I'll sit there and talk all the I want to talk. I'm already going. I hope all of you guys get bombed. I hope you guys get shot. Losers. I'm out here freezing. What are you guys doing? Take your sweet time.
159 Marshall on 1020.
Pretty nice out today.
You're wearing 75 layers. Of course you're warm.
Then the mask became the focus.
No, I literally can't breathe. Please. I have problems breathing out of my nose. At least fix it. That's all I'm asking. Please. I have asthma. Please, please, please. I'm begging you. Please, man, please. I can't breathe. Please. I can't. It's in my mouth.
You'll be fine.
Please.
It's not a plastic bag.
Please help me.
They are meant to go over people's faces for people who spit, like you.
Oh, I have asthma. I can't breathe. Please.
If you calm down and take some nice deep breaths, it'll help
I
you.
cannot. It's poking me the God. It's in my mouth. Please help me. Please, please. I'm not an animal.
Well, when you treat us with respect, we'll start treating you with respect.
I'm trying. You're hurting me. Please, please, please.
2257 to 2090.
Oh, please, 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 please. Please, I haven't tried to spit. Please help me, please.
No, you're keeping it on because the reason you have it on is because you were spitting.
I haven't spit yet, though. I have not
No,
spit.
you lost our trust with that.
Okay, but I cannot see.
You don't need
I
to see
can't
it.
see.
You don't need to see anything.
I can't breathe, please. I'm so uncomfortable. You don't understand.
It's not meant to be comfortable.
I need help. My sweatshirt is it's too close to my throat. I feel like I'm suffocating. Please help me.
Even after all that, Gatare was still asking officers to remove the mask.
Can I get this bag taken off my head now?
When we get there.
Please. I can't breathe. Like, it's hard. I'm sweaty. I'm a million degrees back here.
Oh, roll your window back
Why
down.
can't you just take it off, please?
Because we're on the highway. I'm not stopping.
Please, please.
We have 10 minutes until we're
Please
there.
help me. I can't. Like, it's so gross and sweaty underneath here and wet.
I bet it is.
Yeah. Why do you have to be sarcastic? Why can't you just help me? I haven't done anything. I haven't tried to spit or anything, please.
Finally, an officer tried a different approach. Instead of arguing with Gatare, she walked her through exactly what would happen at the jail.
Do you want me to kind of explain the process of once we get to the jail?
I guess.
So we're going to pull into what's called the Sally Port, like your garage, like we were at there. And then we have to wait for the jailers to come out and get you. And then they'll kind of search you again right there in the garage. And then we'll go inside and you'll stand on like there's just like these feet that are painted onto the floor. You'll stand there. They'll take the handcuffs off you. You'll have to go through a body scanner. And then they'll switch you over into your clothes. And then there's some questions, just like regular medical questions that we have to ask every person that's in custody, just of medical history and stuff like that. And then they'll get you checked in, and then you'll get put into a cell. And I obviously can see and hear that you're frustrated, but the calmer and more, I guess, cooperative you are with them, the smoother the process will be, and the more respect you'll get from them. Because once you lose respect from them, they're gonna, essentially, you'll be I mean, it's not going to be ideal again, okay? I want to be able to have you take that spit mask off, okay? So if we can remain calm, cool, collective through this, and you can gain their trust, it'll be better off for you, okay?
For a moment, it seemed to work. Guittare started to calm down. Then she reportedly heard an officer call her feisty. That one word set her off all over again.
Ah, she just f***ed yourself for the rest of the f***ing night. Now I don't care again. Don't f***ing use the word feisty for someone that's f***ing arrested, you dumb.
Kayla, that's not gonna...
I don't f***ing care. They're gonna lock me up anyway. I don't care. Is she feisty? Her.
I will have a talk with her about that, because that is not how we should be talking.
No, that was not okay. That was not okay.
Kayla.
I have thoughts and feelings. I'm a human.
Kayla, listen to me. I acknowledge that's not okay. Look at me. Kayla. Look at me. I acknowledge that's not okay, and that obviously triggered you, okay? And so I will have my lieutenant talk to her, because that's uncalled for.
Yeah, please.
Okay?
Okay,
But-
I'm going through so much.
And I'm going to have a talk with her too, because I don't want you to still have to have that mask on, okay? But I can't trust you that you're not going to get out of control again, okay?
I don't even care anymore. I'm in jail for him. For him. I didn't do anything. I don't care. I don't care. Get me the out of this car. I'm going to do whatever the I want. I'm arrested anyway.
As the night dragged on, the anger gave way to pleading. Guittare begged officers not to take her away, telling them she had a baby and could not afford to lose her job.
I'm begging you.
You have not identified yourself
My
yet
name
either.
is Kayla Renee Guitar. My birthday is... My social security number is... Please don't lock me up. I will do everything from here on out. I will listen to you. Please, sir. Please. My baby is more important to me than anything that I could possibly get in trouble for. Please don't take away my baby. I don't want to lose my job either.
She then explained why jail was so devastating for her. Guittare said she had only recently escaped homelessness and worked to get her life back together. Now, she feared she was about to lose all of it again.
I really don't know, honestly. Okay. I just lost my job. I'm going to lose my apartment now. So, honestly, I'm probably going to pack up my shit and leave state, to be honest. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Because now I have all these charges against me, and he has nothing.
After hours of escalation, arguments, alleged threats, and pleading, Guittare was finally booked. She was charged with disorderly conduct, obstructing an officer, and resisting arrest. Court records show the case was closed, but the final outcome is not known.
Oh, great.
Now.
Our next segment of After Hours takes us to New Mexico at the Albuquerque International Sunport, where a simple search for a lost ring would soon turn into a confrontation with police. Cynthia Cross was trying to catch a flight to New York, but before she could get through security, she allegedly decided she wasn't leaving without finding what she lost.
Oh, great.
Now. Don't. Tell him what I said, because I'm not telling anybody. I call my fiance. This is the ring. $3,000 was left in the bathroom 10 minutes ago. Now it's gone. Somebody better get my ring right now. This could be accident. No. They told me to get in the back of the line. Told me to go look for it. My flight's leaving.
We're not with them. We're the
Okay,
police.
but my flight is leaving, and I don't have time to look for my ring. I can't miss another flight today. I need to get to New York. I want my ring now.
And with her flight clock ticking, Cross wasn't interested in waiting for the airport's lost and found process to play out. Instead, according to officers, she had already turned her attention to the security line. And that's where police say the situation first started to spiral.
Well, we didn't take your ring.
No,
so
but somebody did, and they won't even report it or anything or check it.
that's why we're here.
Well, then tell them to do it. I hate this town. This never happens in Albuquerque. I got sick here. I think I got COVID. None of the other places ever give me a problem except Southwest Albuquerque.
By now, the clock was working against her. Cross had about 10 minutes before her flight, and she was refusing to choose between finding the ring and making the plane. That deadlock would put officers in an awkward position. They cannot magically produce a missing ring, but they also could not make time stop.
But she tried to cut in front of the line and everything.
God, you're gonna treat me that
To
way.
go through right away.
I've got money. You're going to be sued too. I've had it. I want my ring now.
Why don't you go look for it?
Because my flight is leaving in 10 minutes.
Well, how is it our responsibility to find your ring?
You need to go report it.
Because they're not for that
then
either.
You're all going to be sorry. I have an attorney.
Good. Why don't you go look for
I
it
don't
then?
have time. I got to be on that plane. Don't talk to me like that.
Okay.
I don't care who you are.
Then why don't you go through and go get on your...
I want my ring.
Okay, you just told me you want your ring.
I want
right?
both.
Well, you're only going to get one of them.
Cross allegedly began invoking her lawyer, her money, and a former Albuquerque officer.
Police in this town, and you're both a bunch of shady. No, Rodney Locke that killed somebody. I dated him. You're all shady. Don't
Really?
you dare.
That's
I got
wonderful.
a lawyer, and you'll all be sued. You are not treating me that way. You don't know who I am, but I've got millions of dollars.
Oh, that's wonderful. Well,
Good. You want to be a little cop arrested? I'm going to go to jail because he did for a year. You'll get longer. Stay away from me and make somebody get my ring, or I'm calling.
okay, well, that's not going to happen, so...
Well, then shut up and get away from
Well,
me.
then you got to leave.
No, I don't. I have a ticket.
Well, then you got to go through.
No,
You can't
I
sit
want
here.
my ring. Go to hell. How dare you? I want my ring. What don't you understand?
She's about to get tased.
My ring.
Eventually, Cross walked away from the security checkpoint. But that didn't mean she was getting on her flight. Officers followed her into the terminal, where another cop tried a different approach.
You guys are going to go get... Well, they are going to go get my ring, and I'm going to go to my flight.
Maybe, maybe not.
So...
Do we have any idea which bathroom? Do we have any idea which bathroom?
Second floor, and I don't want to talk to him. Get on my face now. He's being sued.
You don't get to choose the police officer today.
He'll be
but I am here
sued.
to-
I have a lawyer.
Would you like to talk to me? I'd
No,
like to talk
I
to
want
you.
to talk to him. No, but he's the only one that's being nice.
So I'd like
I
to go-
want my ring found now. I'm sick as a
You
dog.
can talk over me if you want, but
I
I'm
don't
trying
want
to
to talk
find
to you.
out
I'm
which
talking
bathroom
to
you
you.
were
Get away
in,
from
so
me. I know
can
my
look for
rights.
your ring.
Please
All right,
don't.
so ma'am,
Don't talk to me. I'm dealing with him.
The second officer kept his distance, and for the moment, there was no arrest.
You're not. He's
you
nice
can
to me. I'm
find
not
out-
being treated
you
this
can find
way.
out which
You're just a
bathroom, I'm
cop.
happy
You're
to
not
go
above
to
the
the
law.
morning.
You're the reason why people
otherwise
hate
we're going to
cops.
extract her.
Democrats. I don't need to be distracted. I want my ring. Get away from me. You're not gonna talk to me like that. You're just a cop. You know who I am? I got millions of dollars. Keep it up.
That changed the situation. Cross couldn't just walk back to the gate and board, and TSA wasn't willing to clear her without completing the screening, so police were left watching a passenger who wanted to leave but couldn't actually get on the plane.
I don't know that she'll be flying today.
I am
I
flying
agree.
today.
I'm thinking we should have the airline come.
They've already done it. They owe me thousands of dollars. They're kissing my ass right now. Go eat a donut. You're all pissed. I know the cops in this car.
I think she's
Get away
unsafe
from
to
me now.
fly.
Calm down. I'm asking him to get away from me. No, he doesn't. I don't want him to look at me. I want him away from me. That flight better wait for me. I got to get out of here. I know. If I just stay another day, I'm going to sue for more damages. I'll go find my way. I'll miss my flight. Sorry.
And while Cross continued moving through the terminal, officers were now trying to decide how long they could let this go on.
I'll go ahead and drop off the
No, she's just sort of... Did you get the airline?
No, I have no idea. She's
I don't know. Probably going to cause a 39 with somebody in the bathroom. Looks like she had a Mississippi ID of some sort. That's what was in her. I see it in her wallet right there. Pretty sure it said Mississippi. Did you tell him she went down here to the bathroom?
yeah.
I'm wondering why her dress is like torn and or broken. I guess she tried to force her way through up there.
Oh, really?
She's cleared to go through. She checked, but she has to screen. But once she got through, she like went to the front and was pushing like people out of the way to get to the front, and they're like no, and that's when she went back and plunked down on there and started carrying on and stuff. I don't know. Again, I don't understand this.
More than an hour in, officers were running out of easy options. But then, another problem entered the equation. Her ride was there.
Like a bunch of smoke.
Oh boy.
I already had my arrest for this month. Thank you.
Well, I don't know, Jeff. I think this started in your area.
No. I think this started down here because that's where the ring was lost.
Oh, well, I'm AOA, so it doesn't matter anyway. I just said I'll go now. I was looking at going 6-1, but I don't think that's going to happen.
I was about to do that very same thing right there.
Well, the last time I didn't, and somebody went to the restroom, I regretted it.
We're probably gonna, if we have to take her into custody, it's probably gonna be a use of force.
Yeah, it might be, or she might, like most loud folks, just give up.
Just chill right there. Yeah, I can see her start kicking though, for sure. Or take those little shiny shoes of hers and.
I feel like I hear her yelling, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, you know, I kind of thought that too, kind of in the background.
Officers offered an ambulance. She didn't take it.
Lost my ring again.
You told me you wanted to go to the hospital.
I lost my ring again.
If you don't do that, you're going to jail right now.
I lost
what are you
my
gonna do?
ring. I'm getting my ring. It's in the grass.
Stand up. You can just do it while she's sitting.
I want my ring.
Put your hands on your back.
I want my ring. It's in the grass.
Don't pull away.
We'll help you find your
I
ring,
was
okay?
next.
Don't pull away.
I have chest pain. It's like I hit my car. You're hurting me.
Don't pull away. Don't pull away.
Let go of me.
Don't pull away.
Let the go.
That was the turning point. After hours of confrontation and multiple chances to leave the airport, officers finally moved to take Cross into custody.
Let go of me.
Stay there. Don't pull away. We're going to double lock these so they don't tighten up.
Oh, because I'm such a bad.
So where did you lose your ring?
In the grass.
Right here?
Yeah,
Yes.
we'll look for
Just
it.
calm down and we'll help you look
No,
for it, okay?
get away from me. My lawyer's on his way. You can be goddamn sorry. Let go.
Don't pull away, Cynthia. We're going to double
Don't pull
lock
away.
these.
But can I tell you something?
Sure. Go ahead and talk.
Not until you let go of me. I got hit by a truck. I'm
sorry to hear that.
My stitches came open from surgery.
I'm
And
sorry
all
to
you're
hear
doing
that.
is injuring me. I'm suing you.
Don't pull away.
Let go. I'm hurt. Get out of my stuff. It's in the grass. Don't touch my stuff. You're on the phone still. It's going. Stop. Let go of my money.
I'm not. I'm just trying to
Don't touch. Let go of me.
All right. Are you ready to stand for us?
No.
Okay, here we go. Off we go.
No.
You ready?
No.
Stand up. There you go. Gotta go.
She allegedly accused the officers of hurting her. None of it mattered. She was going to jail.
No, you hurt me. Ow.
Have a seat.
Ow. Ow.
Sit down on the seat, ma'am.
Get away from me. I want my. You're hurting. Oh my God. I want my. I got bruises all over. Give me my phone and my ring now. My lawyer heard everything. He'll be here. Get away from my purse. Look up. I don't want that on. I'm too hot.
You have to have it on by state law.
Ma'am, I got my stitches. You're cutting my chest up. I can feel the blood. You hurt me. No. Get away from me. Give me my phone. No, I want it now.
Cynthia Cross was arrested and charged with resisting an officer without violence and tampering with a vehicle or trailer. The outcome of the case is not known at this time.
What are you gonna do about it? She choked me first.
We head now to Clearwater, Florida, where police responded to a reported fight between neighbors. Samantha Watkins allegedly told officers she had been attacked first, but police were about to hear another account of what happened.
Call about a fight? Were you involved?
Yeah, that crazy girl upstairs.
What
She
happened?
needs to go to jail. Like, I don't. You guys are out here every day for this.
What happened?
She like comes out of the woods, And she starts walking towards me, and I'm like, today ain't the day, just go away. For real. So I'm like, go upstairs. What the are you gonna do? Gets like right in my face like this. I'm like, back up out of my personal space and go upstairs. There's kids out here. So next thing you know, she just starts putting her hands on me. So I did. I grabbed her by her throat, took her to the ground, and tried to keep her on the ground so she would stop.
According to the police report, the other woman said Watkins had gotten in her face before the fight turned physical. A neighbor told officers she had seen the altercation, and she had something that could help back up her story.
She harasses everybody out here every single day. Every day. This is an everyday occurrence.
Did you see it?
Yep.
You recorded it?
Yep.
Oh, can I see it?
Yep.
My whole life. I've been trapped my whole life. Let go of my hair. Let go of my hair. I made arrest! You animals! You won't calm down? Or what? You won't stand up? What are you gonna say? You're gonna stand up. Someone call the police! Please do. Someone call the police!
With a witness account and video to review, officers turned their attention to Watkins.
I'm gonna go smoke a cigarette in my garage.
What was that?
I'm gonna go smoke a cigarette in my garage. I can't do it. Can we please put my AirPod back inside? Because I just bought new AirPods because I lost mine. Can we please take my phone? So I have some. It's in. I just bought it.
Okay.
I have 5 days to get out of here. I hate you guys. Why don't you just break an arm? Why don't you just actually break a arm? Throw me down the stairs.
Hey.
Just.
I don't care about the AirPods. Let's get her up. Get her in the car.
Please, I just bought those AirPods. I don't have any money. I don't have any money. I don't need access to anything.
Now, according to the report, she was making it increasingly difficult for officers to get her out of the building.
320. 320. One in custody, the other female. And a resisting charge.
You do whatever
If you want.
you're told. You do whatever you're told. Every time. You're hurting me.
Yep. We'll stop resisting.
My shoes are falling off.
Okay.
Monkeys. You want to dance, cowboys? Let's do this. You're hurting me. You can release if I try to sit up a little bit. Or are you too short? Too small? Too small of a person. You. Ow! You're hurting me. Or what? What are you gonna do about it? She choked me first, you I'm just not smart enough to wear a GoPro wherever I go.
The arrest was now escalating on the stairwell, and according to the report, something Watkins did during the struggle would add a much more serious charge.
Oh, you protecting, sir? Oh, you big boy? Yeah, you feel so big and in charge? You feel so big? Yeah? I hate you, you know that? I think you're so big and bad. You protect? You. I'm about to lose. I have lost everything! Like, what the I have 5 whole days to get out of this godforsaken city. I don't have a car, I don't have a license, I don't have a family. Like, you. Jesus. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. What the do I have to do to get some help around here? You animals.
By the time officers got Watkins to the patrol car, the original fight was no longer the only issue. She was now being arrested for allegedly assaulting an officer, and she still had plenty to say about it.
I would have loved to talk to you, but look at how you just behaved.
You immediately put handcuffs on me.
Right. Doesn't mean I wouldn't talk to you still.
I wanted to go smoke a cigarette in my garage. I've been running around all day.
Well, that's not how this. Well, that's.
I don't have a car.
That's not how this works.
I don't have a car.
Okay.
I don't have anything. I asked the police officer for a ride earlier today. No.
Let's step out for a sec.
Please don't yank me.
Then don't give me a reason to. Stay right there and spread your legs and listen to Officer Wood.
No, I don't have anything.
Okay, I gotta check. Make sure you don't have anything on you.
Why would I have something on me?
Well, because anybody that goes into the jail, we have to check to make sure you don't have any contraband. Because if you do, then you're
I'm not the one under attack here. Alright, you're the one under attack.
Okay.
Before transport, officers had to search Watkins and her belongings. And that search would turn up something else inside the cigarette box she had been so concerned about earlier.
Just bought a new phone. Please protect my phone. Please protect my new AirPods I just bought. I just spent money that I don't have on things. Please protect them. I don't have my keys. I don't have access to anything. Oh, that lady just pulled out my brand new hair extensions, by the way. She attacked me. I've been trying to work, but I've been attracting extremists.
All the way out.
Samantha Watkins was charged with simple battery, battery on a law enforcement officer, and resisting an officer without violence. According to court records, the state attorney took the case under advisement, and the outcome is not known at this time.
You're trying to take my car for what right now?
Our next case takes us to Orlando, Florida, where a tow truck was called to remove a silver Toyota parked in front of a dumpster. The sign said unauthorized vehicles would be towed at the owner's expense. Police say the car's owner had a different idea, and her mother, Priscilla Rivera, was reportedly about to join the argument.
I need you to listen.
You're trying to take my car for what right now?
I need you,
and you're going to let him?
I need you to listen.
And you're going to let him?
Back up. He's doing his job. I need you to stop. I need you to stop. Relax. Stop. Now you're touching me. Get the ground. Get the ground. You don't touch me. What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Because you don't get to touch me like that. What is wrong with you? No, you just smacked my hand, girl. What's wrong with you? No, now you're going to jail for something stupid. Now you're going to jail for something stupid. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. I'm not gonna say it again. You're gonna get tased. It's not gonna go in there. It's not gonna go nice for you. You need to give me your hand now. Relax. Give me your other hand now. Relax.
According to the report, Rivera had been recording the confrontation while also removing tow equipment from under the car.
You stop touching. You doesn't matter. Stop touching. You don't get to touch anything. Give me your hand now. Relax. Stop. You back the up because you about to get tased. All right. You're gonna go to jail too. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now.
You're not going to throw me. I am on the ground. What is
Put her in cuffs. Put her in cuffs. Put her in cuffs.
Why? Hold on. I'm not.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Put her in handcuffs. Stop resisting. Put her in. Get down. On the ground. Put her in handcuffs.
This is resisting. Stop
resisting. Put her in. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Rivera was about to make her argument very clear.
Okay, you were on your knees. We asked you to put your hands behind your back, and you refused to put your hands behind your back because you were more focused on recording on your phone.
My daughter was
right? But when an officer gives you a lawful order, whether you agree with us or not, at that moment you have to follow the officer's lawful order. Right? So when we told you get down and put your hands behind your back, you were like no, and you're gonna keep recording.
I didn't say no.
No, but whether you said no or not, you were refusing to do it.
No, it's not that I was refusing. I wasn't told to do it. I was told to get down, and I did.
Right, and then we told you put your hands behind your back, and you said why?
No, at that moment, even when I was on the ground, you know what you guys did? You guys threw me to the ground and then told me to put my hands behind my back because I didn't want to, because I didn't understand why were you guys doing that.
Listen to what you said, because you didn't want to, right? Yeah. Because you felt it wasn't necessary, right?
No, because I had followed instruction because you guys told me to get down on the ground.
Get down on the ground, and we were going to...
And then you guys pursued
to
throw me on the ground.
Is it going to be a one-way conversation? Or I'm giving you the why we did what we did,
correct.
Right?
I'm trying to understand.
You just don't like our answers.
And there was one thing the officers could point to. The tow operator had already allegedly shown them a contract from the property management authorizing the tow.
No,
as you can see, I'm an honest person. I'm willing to admit yes when it's yes and
so
no when it's no.
So you was resisting?
after I followed instruction and you guys continued to throw me all over the place.
You was not following instructions.
So I didn't get on the floor on my knees like you guys specified.
We told
Y'all
you
didn't
to
say get on your knees and put your hand behind your. No, you guys
ground.
said get down on the floor, get on your knees. That's what you guys said, and I did that. And I had my phone in my hand, so clearly if you guys would have said put your hands behind your back, I probably would have put my phone down to avoid getting thrown all over the place. Because
Ma'am,
you guys
and
said
through grabbing your arms and put your hands behind your back, you don't tense up. You don't get to tense up.
Oh, absolutely.
That's resisting. You don't get to do that. No, you're not, ma'am.
Something and I did it, and then you guys still pursued to do the most. Like, yeah, of course I tensed up. I'm confused. I'm trying to figure out why you guys are doing all this. Y'all told me to get down. I'm down. What am I gonna do?
So we told you to get down.
I'm gonna run
we
away on
told
my
you
knees.
to put your hands behind your back. We did. And then you continued. You continued to record because that was your priority. Your priority wasn't to listen to us. Your priority was to record the situation.
No,
that's what the priority
before you guys got here. When you guys got here, my priority was to listen to you guys. When y'all said get down, I got down.
So obviously we're not gonna agree to reason. So now what we're gonna do when it comes to discussing about what happened, we'll just do that in court.
Rivera still wanted answers. The officer, however, was done trying to win the argument on the side of the road.
Okay, let me ask you this.
But nobody answered me. Am I right or am I wrong? You guys
you're 100% wrong.
Wrong.
You're 100% wrong because no. Did I not just come over here to talk to
ask me
you?
my name, not to ask me what happened, officer.
It doesn't matter.
It does. I just asked who's been asking us what's happening.
But you're not giving. You're just jumping into conclusion. You're not giving officers a chance. I'm not the primary officer. I'm not the one investigating what happened. So what does that matter?
That I'm trying to figure
what does that matter?
I'm trying to tell you what it matters. That there's all of you guys are focused on one person when there was 3 people involved. So y'all getting one person's version of the story versus 3.
So because no one's have spoken to you yet, you're just gonna go with the assumption that we're not gonna get your side of the story.
Not the assumption. The facts that so far no one has spoken.
Give me a second, please.
And now, the consequences were getting bigger. Both mother and daughter were headed to jail, but there was still a child at the apartment who needed someone to stay with him.
So, do you have it?
Just kind of
we're going to call somebody to see if we can get them situated. If not, we're going to have to call DCF and they're going to have to take them. See the gravity of what you could have done had you just listened? You're making it worse for the entire family because now I have to call them if there's no one else that can stay with those kids. Off of just a simple argument with a tow truck driver. You could have just avoided the situation by letting me explain or talk to you. She's going to jail. She's refusing the officers over there. You cannot fight officers and think they're going to get away with it. Listen. I'm not going to sit here. I'm not going to sit here and argue with you.
No, I'm not arguing.
All right,
this is a conversation, isn't it?
We're done with that. She's going to jail as well.
So this is a one-sided conversation. Basically.
No, she's just going to jail. Do you have anything on your persons?
I do not. You want to check me?
Yeah, step out real quick. You got your camera on? Yeah. Turn around. Okay, take a seat. Alright, just like I explained to your daughter, you're also going to jail for resisting. Now, do you have anybody here that can take care of your child? If not, I'm calling DCF.
Yeah.
Who?
The person who has him right now.
And who is he?
She's like an aunt to him. She's been here since we
Okay, I can ask her, see if she wants to take him. If she doesn't, then like I said, we'll have to call DCF. Okay. Do you have anything on your persons? Alright, step out. You have your camera?
Priscilla Rivera was charged with interference with a vehicle or trailer and resisting an officer without violence. And court records show her case is ongoing. We're now in Melbourne Beach, Florida, where a routine traffic stop for a rolled stop sign turned into a textbook sovereign citizen showdown. According to police, the driver, Lynn Hansen, told the officer she did not need a driver's license because she was not driving. She was traveling. And she was not about to comply.
Hello there, good morning. Hi. Yes, you can. My name's Officer DeLeon with the Melbourne Beach Police Department. Just like to let you know that this traffic stop is being audio and video recorded, okay? The reason for the stop is just because of your incomplete stop during the stop sign at Ocean and Pine, okay? You just kind of stopped right in the middle of the intersection after you've already passed the stop sign and the stop bar. You stopped in the middle of the intersection and then you proceeded to go, okay? You have a driver's license on you? Okay. You don't have your driver's license? Do you have a driver's license? Yes. Yes? Is it valid? It is valid. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle? I'm sorry? Okay, any reason why it wouldn't be? Ma'am, you gotta speak up. I can't hear you very well.
Because I don't think it's necessary to travel in my car.
The officer explained the stop was for a moving violation. Hansen was not convinced.
You don't think you need a driver's license to drive your car? What does that mean? Okay. Who's the registered owner of this vehicle? Okay. What is your first name? Can you spell that for me, please? And your last name? I'm sorry? Your date of birth? Do you have the registration for your vehicle? I'm sorry? I don't need to see the registration for your vehicle? Why do you think that I don't need to see it?
The officer then told Hansen to step out of the vehicle. According to the report, she refused, and when a second officer arrived, she continued to refuse to get out.
What's up?
I'm gonna have her step out.
All right, step out. Step out.
She doesn't want to provide any information.
Step out.
Are you gonna kidnap me?
Yep.
You gonna put me in?
Get out of the jail. Get out of the car. You're going to jail.
Wait a minute.
You're going to jail. Get out of the car.
Oh, no.
Get out of the car.
Oh, hold on.
Get out of the car.
Help!
Get out of the car.
Help!
No, you're going.
Help!
Get on the ground.
Help!
Stop resisting.
Help! Help! Stop resisting. I can't even.
Get out of the car.
Oh my God.
Give me your hands.
Oh my God. Oh, you're hurting me.
Well, stop resisting. Stop
I
resisting.
gotta get in. It's hot. It's hot.
Well, then
It's
stop
hot.
resisting. We'll get you off the ground. How about that?
Jesus.
Good job, Ted. You good? Each right here. We'll have a white female. 10, 15.
I'm
Got it.
burning on the concrete. We're gonna get you up in a second.
The officers explained the situation to a supervisor.
So she ran a stop sign.
Okay.
She did give me a ring, but she ran a stop sign. She said she doesn't have to give proof of insurance, doesn't have to give the registration, doesn't have to give me your driver's license. I asked her if her driver's license valid. She told me that I didn't need some of that information.
Okay.
And then as soon as you pulled up, I said, step out of the car. She said, I don't have to step out of the car. I violated the Constitution, blah, 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 blah. She said she's traveling, not driving. She's not a professional driver.
Hansen was taken to the Melbourne Beach Police Department and later transported to the Brevard County Jail.
No, we arrested her. She's resisting.
Sovereign citizen?
Yep. Yep. She's going to jail.
How often do you get those?
Not too often, but when we do, they're going to jail.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. She wanted to mess around. She found out. So, hey, it is what it is. Yeah, exactly. Take care.
Later, the officer who removed Hansen from the vehicle described to another officer how the arrest unfolded.
All right, what's up, man? We had a sovereign wouldn't get out of the car when the primary officer tried to get her out. I got on scene, just opened the door, ripped her out, and 10-15 her. She's going to jail. She's sovereign. She's like, I'm traveling, whatever. Well, you're going to jail. You're traveling to jail. So, have fun. Hey. Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah. Well, that's why I was like, I'm not even gonna play any games with her. Like, as soon as I got on scene, when I found out she's sovereign, I heard her say, get out, step out of the car. She refused. She's like, I'm traveling. You're going to jail. Yeah. I just opened the door, grabbed her, undid the seatbelt. She had her phone in her hand and whatever. Have fun. She's going to jail. All right, man. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. Hey, man, have a good one, all right? Yes, sir.
While processing Hansen's property, officers found cigarettes and adult toys in her purse. According to the report, the items were placed in safekeeping because they cannot be sent to the jail with her.
I don't know if the jail is going to take this bag. You just got adult toys in there.
Oh, I thought the bag was in the. Okay, I thought the bag was in the car.
I shouldn't have taken it. I did.
Oh.
I'm just going to put all her stuff in safekeeping here and then send her with her jewelry, her wallet, and her phone.
Lynn Hansen was arrested for resisting an officer without violence. She was also cited for running a stop sign, no insurance, and expired registration. According to court records, the case is ongoing. Thanks for watching, everybody. This episode of Law&Crime After Hours was researched, written, and produced by Juliana Battaglia. Video editing is done by Andrew Zuckerman. I'm Jesse Weber. We'll see you next week.